We are now starting on the 4th episode. Today we're going to install the services. Some of the services that we want. We open the dashboard and we go to add rows and features. Next, we're going to do it by role-based and feature-based installation. This is the server we want those roles installed. What we will need to install is to Active Directory domain services. We need to install the DHCP server, the DNS server. We want to have print and document services. We can also install Windows deployment services. I think that will do for now. Those services that we have been choosing. We will take a look at Windows backup later when we're gonna prepare another server. So we choose just next and next. We can just choose to restart the server automatically if required, and then choose install. The first step here, we can just choose close. We have some warnings that we have to check. One of them is promote this server to domain controller. We're going to add a new forest. If we have this domain itrelated.com, I would put AD in front. Then it would be on a subdomain of itrelated, the AD. Next. Here we will set the function level for it, since we're going to choose only, since we have a Windows Server 2016 is what we are installing, we will choose that level. But if you had an older server, you would choose that level, because if you choose like example 2012, if that was the oldest one you had, then it would work for everybody. So this one is if you have to fix the AD catalog, you can say you have to start it in a certain way, and you have a certain password here. This password here is what you would use. And of course you need to write down, I know what I'm doing here, so I remember my password. Then we choose next. Automatically be made, so we just put next. In this NetBIOS name, that will be that name in front of login. Example, IT-related / username. So IT-related I will use here. I will not change those paths, I'll just let it be like it is. I will just choose install here. Now the machine has rebooted. Let's log in. Let us check and see if there are some warnings. Complete the DHCP configuration. And just choose next, and that's okay. Commit.